Okay, so looking at my magneto wires, I guess that's burnt. So is that. I assume this is the rectifier. I may be wrong about that. But my question was, of all these wires down here, this kind of tangle of wires, I see these 3 wires are cut. I don't know what these go to. It's looking like all of this is a wiring harness that I'm not sure where it goes. But the same, I see 3 cut wires there, and I see 3 cut wires up top here. And then it kind of goes into this main wiring harness. Yeah, so I'm not really sure about this whole situation. I was hoping somebody could shed some light on what it is. My speedo doesn't work, and neither does my oil, my fuel gauge. So I was wondering if these are related.